Hello, my name is Rachel Cavanagh. I am a Brisbane-based educational therapist. I have developed techniques and resources to support sensory integration for learning. My specialties are literacy, language, functional skills, social and emotional development. I have 26 years experience in the professional area and 19 years as a parent. It would be amazing to see you at the conference. Please strongly consider attending this May. My session will be very hands-on. You will leave with practical activities to use in your day, in your next day in your learning space. You will quickly see how easy it is to use sensory activities to support the frazzled brain. It is about changing the way the brain uses sensory input for learning. And it's also about rewiring the brain for thinking, learning, emotional regulation, and of course, accountability. This session will be about organizing the brain for learning, the steps needed before learning can happen. This is actually quick and easy to do, and I will show you the activities that can support this. It would be awesome if you attended in May on the Gold Coast and in Perth, or in Perth. The 21st century brain is actually different. External and internal factors have influenced the wiring of our young brains. This has made learning difficult for a large number of children. Look at some of the easy and practical ways to prepare the brain for learning. That is what we will do. We will be looking at some of the easy and practical ways to prepare the brain for learning. I believe the most critical work in education is missing. I believe the key is sensory integration. Come along and learn how to do this in your learning space. For tickets and further details about the speakers and the exciting two-day itinerary, please visit https://events.montessori.org.au. Register now and take the first step towards transformation. I really look forward to seeing you in May. Thank you so much.